Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save PNG image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show save PNG image in Microsoft Publisher. Now, firstly, insert from image. Now, going to the insert menu option. Then click for a picture option. Now, find your image. Now select from a folder, then click for a PNG image. Now for insert, that it's then you show insert from PNG image in Publisher. This PNG image saved in. Now going to the file menu option, then click for a save as option, then click for a browse. Now select from folder. Now for file, now click for, then click for a save as type option. Now click for a PNG portable network graphics format. Now for click, then click for open. Now click for save option. That is. Now open your file. Then you show save PNG image in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.